Today, we'll explore the fascinating construction of a three-phase induction motor, which is a cornerstone in modern engineering. A three-phase induction motor primarily consists of two main parts, the stator and the rotor, separated by a small air gap ranging from 0.4 millimeters to 4 millimeters, depending on the motor's power. First, let's delve into the construction of the stator. The stator is the stationary part of the motor and is essentially an outer hollow cylindrical structure made from high-grade alloy steel laminations. These laminations reduce eddy current losses and are slotted on the inner periphery. Supported by a stator frame made of cast iron or fabricated steel plate, the insulated conductors placed in the stator slots form a three-phase star or delta-connected winding. When a three-phase supply is given to the stator winding, it produces a rotating magnetic field of constant magnitude, which induces an EMF in the rotor by mutual induction. Now, moving on to the rotor, the rotating part of the motor mounted on a shaft. The rotor is a hollow laminated core with slots on its outer periphery. The rotor winding placed in these slots can be either a squirrel cage rotor or a wound, also known as a slip ring rotor. The squirrel cage rotor consists of a laminated cylindrical core with semi-closed circular slots on the outer periphery. Copper or aluminum bar conductors are placed in these slots and short-circuited at each end by copper or aluminum rings, known as short-circuit rings. This rotor type is simple, economical, and requires less maintenance, with a starting torque double that of its full load torque. On the other hand, the wound or slip ring rotor has a slotted armature with insulated conductors forming a three-phase winding, similar to the stator. The rotor windings are connected in a star configuration, with the three ends connected to copper slip rings on the shaft. This arrangement allows for the insertion of external resistance, enabling control over the starting torque. Understanding these constructional details helps us appreciate the engineering marvel that is the three-phase induction motor. Stay tuned for more insights into its operational principles and applications.